Hey gang, how are you? Let's get our morning work checked. Week one for Wednesday. And let's see what we come up with here. All right, looking at our daily geography, what is a globe? And for Wednesday, it asks, what is the most northern point on Earth called? The most northern point. And while we're at it, what is the most southern point? All right. So come back here and we look at our map. And I really don't see any things right here with words that describe that. So we're going to have to look. And we see that the North Pole is the northernmost, and the South Pole is the southernmost. So our answers are right here. The most northern point is called the North Pole, and the southern is the South Pole. Go ahead and pause that if you need to get those answers. And then we will move on to our candle word problems. It's Ian's birthday. Well, happy birthday, Ian. He is 10 years old. How many candles has Ian had on all of his birthday cakes? Remember, he has had 10 birthday cakes. Oh my goodness. So, when he was 1 year old, he had one candle. All right, and let's do it like this. So, for his first birthday, we'll make a cake here. All right, and we have a candle. Don't make fun of my drawings. So that was on his first birthday. And then for his second birthday, he had 2 candles. And for his third birthday, 3 candles. Fourth birthday, 4 candles. Fifth birthday. We'll go ahead and do it like that. Weird candle, but we'll use it as a tally mark. 5 candles. Sixth. 6 candles. For his 7th birthday. 7 candles. 8th birthday. 8 candles. For his 9th birthday, 9 candles. And here he is on his 10th birthday with 10 birthday candles. All right. So what we can do here is we would just add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, all that together. And when we get that done, let's see. Let's count up our groups of 5 first. All right, so here is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So let's put that up here so we can remember we have 35. All right. Now, watch this. This is kind of interesting. Do you see our 9 right here with 1, 2, 3, 4 candles that we haven't circled, and we have a 1 up here. So those 4 plus this 1 is going to give us 5. And this 3 and this 2, that will give us 5. And if you haven't figured out with math, I absolutely love looking for patterns. All right, and here's one that really is cool to look at. So we have 2 left over here and 3 here. So that's going to be 5. And we have 1 left over here and 4 right there. So that's another 5. So we started with 35, then we have 40, 45, 50, 55. So I came up with 55 candles. I can try to check that on a calculator later. You will find out when I'm doing these, I do these right along with you. So if I make a mistake, I make a mistake and we'll come back and get it fixed. But I believe that the answer to that is going to be 55. So go ahead and pause that if you need to. And then let's take a look at our Wednesday daily language and math review. All right, so we got a sentence up here. She bought apples, carrots, and cereal. Now this is a series here, but first of all, let's capitalize she. She bought apples, comma, carrots, comma, and cereal, period. So if we're going to fix this, we would say it is apples, comma, carrots, comma, and cereal, period. Mary, she is going to be late for the lesson. Wow. I really don't think we need both of these in here. So let's just decide which one we want to keep. And probably let's get rid of she, and we'll just say Mary is going to be late for the lesson, period. Number 3, complete this analogy. Man, I love these. These are so much fun. We have to look for some relationships here. All right, so how we would read this is, fire is too hot, or fire is hot, ice is cold. And let's see here, number 4. Which word is spelled correctly? Oh, man. I think we got that one right there. And happiness. So go ahead and get those checked real quick. Okay, let's take a look down here at the daily math problems. 11 minus 7, that is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. Mark the 8th dot. Well, this is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. That is the 8th dot. Okay. That is the 8th one. Count by ones to fill in the missing numbers. Well, we're going to go backwards 1 for this one to get 99. And we're going to go forward 1 to get 101. Backwards 1 to get 148. Forward 1 to get 150. Backwards 1 to get 62. Forward 1 to get 64. Backwards 1 to get 101. And forward 1 to get 103. If a muffin costs 7 cents, how much will 3 muffins cost? Well, the first question I want to know is, where can we get muffins at 7 cents a piece? Because last time I checked, they were pretty expensive. But we can go ahead and just add 7 plus 7 plus 7. All right. 7 plus 7 here is, make sure you can see that, is 14. Then we can add another 7. so we get 21. Now, some of us may have seen, and that's okay if you didn't see it yet, you will as we go through third grade, but some of you may have noticed, hey, this is just a multiplication problem. This is 7 times 3, and 7 times 3 is 21. So our answer there is 21. All right, so take a look there and fill in any questions that didn't get answered correctly. Pause if you need to. And I believe we are heading to Minute Math 3. All right, let's get zoomed in here. Maybe not that much. All right, here we go. What comes next in this pattern? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, and this pattern is a plus 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. And here 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. For questions 4 and 5, write the number. So we have it written here with words in a word form. That is 9. That is 7. 2 plus what number gives me 8? Well, that is 6. And then use our greater than, or I'm sorry, our less than, greater than, or equal to. So 12 is greater than 9. Right, take a look at 1 through 7. And finally down to here. Use the pictogram. All right, if we see the word picto means picture. Okay, so use the picture graph to complete these questions. How many children like chocolate ice cream? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know this because one cone is equal to one child. Which flavor do children like more, vanilla or strawberry? Well, vanilla, there are 3 people that like that, and strawberry has 4 people. So the one that they like more is strawberry. And then circle which flavor children like the most. Well, that's chocolate right here. All right, so go ahead and get that paused. Fix any of the questions that you have. Go back and review any of the ones that you maybe didn't understand. And we'll get ready for the next day when the next day comes.